Are you looking for a transmission rebuild in New Jersey? European Exchange's transmission experts have been providing expert transmission rebuild services in New Jersey for more than 38 years. European Exchange's transmission rebuild services include a wide variety of specialty transmissions, including SUVs, sports cars, collectible cars, trucks, tow trucks, and more. For free transmission rebuild estimate in New Jersey, call European Exchange at 201-880-6633. European Exchange, your trusted transmission rebuilders in New Jersey.